Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your first affiliate sale. We are going to use Facebook groups and Digistore24. Also you can apply this same technique to Clickbank. This video will be a quick one, so let's start. First I go to marketplace, then I select a niche and find low price range product. So I will scroll down and I select spirituality niche. You can select any of those niche as you prefer. So I go inside the spirituality category, then I select low price range product. I will scroll down and select this Zen Mastery product. If I go to the landing page, it will look like this. Now I have to create a simple landing page that related to this sales page. So I already create landing page like this, and I can copy the affiliate URL and put it on this image and this button. I already have few videos about create simple landing page like this, so follow those steps and create your landing page. Now we have our landing page and we already select the product. As I told before, you can select any of product from those categories. Always make sure to select a product that has low amount of price range, because we are going to promote this product on Facebook group. That means we promote this product to strange people and they will not trust on our account, and if you try to promote high ticket affiliate product, they will never buy from you. So always find low ticket product or low price range product. Okay, let's go to Facebook. Now on Facebook, search groups that related to your niche. My niche is spirituality and law of attraction. I just search spirituality here and I click on this group button or group link. After that I join with few of those groups. Always find the active groups. As example, this group has 430 posts per day. That means this group is a highly engaging group. So find group like this and click on the group. After that click on this join button. Then the moderators of those group will review your request and approve your account. After that you will be able to share content on this group. So share valuable content. I already joined with this type of group. Now we have to find valuable content to share on those group. To do that, open new tab and search on Google law of attraction codes. In law of attraction or spirituality niche, find type yes post, because you can go viral with this type yes post. Type yes post mean if I go to image tab and click on this post, it says I attract limitless love and wealth. Type yes to affirm. That means when people see this post, they will type yes. So I will save this post. Also, if you select your niche as weight loss, you can find posts related to weight loss meme. You can get high engagement with weight loss meme post. So always try to find viral post. After you find the post, go to the group and click on create public post. After that, tag your post here, and to the description don't add anything. You can add emojis like this. I will add this kind of emoji, but don't share your affiliate link yet. Just click on post. After you click on post, some group will automatically post your content. So in this group I will automatically post my content when I click on post. But some groups you have to wait until moderators of those group approve your post. After they approve your post, you will get notification and your post will appear on the group. So however, after your post get approved, you can edit the description. Just click these three dots and click on edit post. After that you can paste your website URL here. As I told before, you have to create landing page to promote your product on Facebook, because Facebook not allowed to add direct affiliate URL on your post. Also don't add only your URL. As example, if I copy this URL and paste on here, don't do this because it's look spammy. If you want to make sales, you have to do it legit way, or you have to make sure your post is if you just add your affiliate link like this, it looks spammy. So let's find out the content to add here. To do that, you can go to Digistore24 and in your product there has a affiliate support page. Just click on affiliate support page. In this affiliate support page you can get content. As example, if I download this email swipes, I can get content on those email swipes. So I downloaded it, I click on to open it, and I go to module 8 emails. Then I will just select and drag this email swipe to my browser. Then I will copy this content like this, and I will add that content here. So I will add it like this, and I will add some emojis too. Okay, here is the way to add your affiliate link. After that, click on save. So this is the basic way, and this is the easy and free method to get your affiliate sales. You have to be consistent with this method and join with groups related to your niche and share valuable content. Also, when you share the URL on groups, don't add your URL to each and every post. If you post 5 content on that group, only add your URL at one time, because if you do this spammy way, or if you spam your link all of your post, the moderators of this group will notice it and you will ban from the group. So this is the easy way. Also, I will put few YouTube videos that show you the exact same way to do this method and make money via affiliate marketing. So I hope you get valuable information in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel, and I will see you in next time.